Hey bro,
Yo,
what time is it?
we coming late. I don't know the reason why we coming to the job with late. But also, we can do any penalties because we coming late to the job.
Yes.
Let's go. We something which is very hard.
Oh, no.
Uretse bro, waba tipe baracyarimo ariko nta karenza ngiye kwinywera agafari.
Ago mbizi wakino wabwo nanjye nutse no ruguru nibwo ngeze mu kigo.
Kari ibibazo.
Ntabwo ari ibibazo cyane ahubwo baranatwica.
Yo bro, our leaders today take another penalties which is very hard. It is the reason that can help to trying our leaders. Do you get it?
Oui. You come sir. Because we take some penalties because we come to the job we read. And it is that they hard penalties.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Nese mwana. Kwari watorotse ikigo. Wari wagiye.
Wakino nanjye kunywa agafari.
Wakabonye? Kari yese ngo nanjye ngashaka.
Ahubwo tugende mute yahuzo mani. Hanze hari abatipe mwani bagafite kameze fresh.
Yo bro, today we have a hard practice. The one step may use this way in order to alive the ground we are using.
God have mercy upon us.
No, mizim tu achi.
Shikwiba kwa tunus. Watemu mwachino utaka flora reja. Ambosa kamwe nanga. Noti ademi wachino ugabanya mwana.
Rose mwana.
Watemwe mwana.
Banze mvumbishe.
Umva samurkurira kumana we. Nse ni yakwishyura.
Bro, man. Kashi zanjye zirese waruno. Wewe arayafite. Chokoza afite.
Yari guki.
Safura man.
Wachino. Uyamaye anyakwa mibaga. Andi sariyo wachino. Ma bro, ukabitse wowe wachino.
It is very hard to.
Very interesting.
This penalty we have taken.
It is.
Do you remember Erida something they tell us? Do you remember?
I don't.
He's telling me that because I'm in front of Erida, he's telling me we are going to do a push-up at least 1,000 per everyone as a penalty.
You lie me.
I'm not lying you. Even you think I'm lying, you go and ask it that.
And go to search Google.
On Google.
Yes.
You may do a research on Google about it. How to do that activity. It is a push-up. 1,000. Do not exceed 1,000. You getting me?
No.
Or you are getting a reader. Come, I am going to show us some activity we are going to do.
no, no.
Dissolve!
Dissolve. God have mercy upon us.
Ego umuyobozi w'umugome. Let's do the last penalties. As a push-up, we're going to do, we will see, return like this, like this. Yes. Count 1 and sitting like this. Then I count 2, return up. Let's start. 1,
Turn that
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I think we go on the job. Respect the role of a leader. We may respect the role of a job. Yes.
Wicare nyine tubanze tubate mu
Reka twere nani songi yicara.
wicare tubate mu mwayi karitasi se kuticara bro wicara gasi
none wakira security wamucitse
mwamuyobye utemwa bro giye gutamwatatanga ariko seza uri kumva mwamucitse mutemwa
twabacitse kimwe cyo kiri kuri gate ikindi cyo kiri gonya hano haruguru kirasinzira
ndakitwiyeni yemwe ro kunumva muri
wakina wako tuvuga ko wo kuri gate ni usinzira
kazinziye mwa none fungura mwumva ariko
Nakuyamwana wakintu. Uti wakintu nakari gutyo bagatunganya wakintu.
nyerekera
Man, ndagaswini.
none wakubona imbuto za oji
Wakintu none ihano ndakasakura yamano.
No, 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 no.
mva zana hano mfate mwatatu wakintu
Wasanye oji none watakaskubura tuba hano. Sana nususi myuka wakintu.
fata baby fat dissolve
Konga basigaye bajya bro no hano. None kumureka ureka babu wakintu.
Oh, no, 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 no.
come. Remember it. You may respect my orders. You may cross this. This is go. Go. Hey, me go.
Kumbuka wicharishijwe ngaho aho ngaho umukristo wakibaye ikintu sakiraja iwanyonyo waje kwa musoka wakibana musoka nomba ye wakita urumuzita kubangala none tubanza tugere wacu ni hano naho ngaho tubanze tuhagere wakintu wakintu harani kuri gate wakintu reka tunyura mahano kwe reka twini jana tena
No.
Archana wapo nejifiti nyashara wachino wagira tibyo sana byo nibyo chaka tubanza tukakwepe wachino
Mfeka genda gutya.
Mwami hari nimwe mumaze kunyiba.
baradufata kwa chibu ega kwe
Baracitse weye. Aro afande. Aro. Nukuri nsanze ibirara hano mu kigo rwose bangu kumfashe.
Urababonye? Ndaje nanjye nari ndi hano ruguru ndi gusirikira sha. Ubabonye hehe? Rekanze.
Banguka ndababonye ndabakurikiye bane hano imbere. Okay. Sawa. Yewe ibisambo ngiye binyuzeho birara bijana mu kigo binyuzeho do ingofero yanjye finish
ako sibwa bukorye bwawe bwo gusinzira sibwa bukorye bwawe bwo gusinzira
nabisize ahantu gutya nyine ndi gusirikira bisanzwe ndi kuzenguruka ninje nsanga nabihari ariko ntamutse gato yahita mbibona
ndabizi wari wasinziriye
ntabwo nari nasinziriye
inzige ndazizi ndabizi
nindi urubabaza
wanzikiwe
ingamiya ndazimenyereye
ingamiya wasinziriye
ubungu wari wagiye mu butayu wangamiya
mu butayu kumari
tugende
nakwatsinze kuri gate
Abo tega nje ku mugongo. Ingami yasize ka abantu se.
Wamaze. Ujya ku mugongo wanje yende ingami iheka abantu mpeke imizigo we.
Nanjye ndi.
Wamaze.
Nanjye ndi.
Uri muzigo muntu.
Yego.
Uri muzigo muntu.
Reka nje.
Kuri incuro ntabwo nagweka nta mutwe mfite.
Ntacyo tugende n'amaguru.
Sawa. Kabwira bwe.
Zibamwari.